stop. Right now, what language are you thinking in?
Oh, I think I am thinking in my language.
Exactly, and that is the problem. Today, we fix it. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone. It is so great to be here with you today.
Alex, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel a little slow today. Like my brain is tired.
Oh no, why?
Because I was trying to speak English last night, and every time I wanted to say something, I first thought in my language, then I translated, then I spoke. It was so slow.
Ah, yes, I know this feeling very well.
You do?
Every English learner knows this feeling, Alex. But today, we are going to talk about how to stop doing that.
Oh, I need this. I really need this today.
And so do all our amazing listeners. So friends, stay with us. This episode will change the way your brain works in English.
But before we start, a small but very important request.
Yes, if you are watching on YouTube, please click the like button right now.
Yes, just one click. It helps so many other people find us.
And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Subscribe. It's free, and it means we can keep making these episodes for you.
And share this episode with one friend who is learning English. Just one friend.
One friend. You can do it. Okay, now, let's fix my brain.
Let's fix your brain, Alex. Okay, so Alex, tell me, when you want to say something in English, what do you do first?
Okay, let me show you. So I want to say, the weather is beautiful today. First I think, then I translate, then I say, the weather is beautiful today.
Yes, and how long did that take?
Maybe 5 seconds?
And in a real conversation?
Oh no, in a real conversation, 5 seconds is forever. The person already moved on.
Exactly. The conversation is gone, and you feel embarrassed, you feel slow.
Yes, and then I feel bad about my English. But maybe it is not my English. Maybe it is my brain?
Yes, Alex, it is not your vocabulary, it is not your grammar. It is the habit of your brain.
The habit. Interesting.
Your brain learned one way to think, and now we need to teach it a new way.
Like exercise for the brain?
Exactly like exercise. And today, I have 3 powerful methods for you.
3 methods. Okay, I am ready. Let's go.
Method number 1 is simple, but most people never do it. Are you ready?
Ready.
Think in small English sentences, all day, every day.
But Maya, I don't always know the words.
That's okay. Start with what you know. For example, you wake up in the morning. What do you think?
I think I am tired.
Perfect. That is an English sentence. Now add one more word. I am very tired.
Oh, that is easy.
Now look around your room. What do you see?
I see my bed.
Make it a sentence.
My bed is warm.
Beautiful. Now you are thinking in English.
But it feels strange, like I am talking to myself.
Yes, and that is perfect, because your brain is working in English, not translating, working.
Oh, there's a difference.
Big difference. Translating is slow, 2 steps. Thinking in English is fast, 1 step.
1 step. I like that.
So friends listening right now, when you finish this episode, look around wherever you are and make 3 English sentences about what you see.
Just 3 sentences?
Just 3. That's your homework for today. 3 sentences every day. It grows from there.
Okay, method 1, think in small sentences all day.
You got it.
Okay, what is method 2?
Method 2 is about input.
Input. What is input?
Input is English that goes into your brain. Things you listen to, things you watch.
Like this podcast?
Exactly like this podcast. When you listen to easy, natural English, your brain starts to feel the rhythm of the language.
The rhythm, like music?
Yes, English has a rhythm to it. Short sentences, long sentences, pauses, stress. And when you hear it many times, your brain starts to copy it automatically.
So I don't need to study grammar?
You need both, but input, listening and watching, is the fastest way to make English feel natural.
Okay, so what should I listen to?
Things you enjoy. This is very important. If you are bored, your brain closes. If you enjoy it, your brain opens.
I like cooking. I watch cooking videos.
Perfect. Find cooking videos in English, simple ones, where the person says, "Now I add the salt. I stir the soup. The soup smells amazing."
Oh, and I understand the actions. I see the salt, I hear the word, my brain connects them.
Yes, you are learning without studying. That is the power of input.
What about music?
Yes, simple English songs are wonderful. When you love a song, you listen 50 times, and every time your brain absorbs the words.
I have one song I know by heart in English, and I never studied it. I just listened.
See? That is input working perfectly.
So method 2, feed my brain with English every day. Listen to podcasts, watch videos I enjoy, listen to music.
And choose easy content. If you understand 80%, that is perfect input. If you understand only 20%, it is too hard. Find something easier.
80%. I will remember that number.
Okay, before method 3, I have a question for you, Alex.
For me?
Yes. When you are alone, do you ever talk to yourself?
What? No, that is a little crazy, no?
What if I told you talking to yourself is one of the most powerful ways to learn English?
Really?
Really. And method 3 is going to surprise you. Method 3, speak English out loud to yourself.
But I have no one to practice with.
You have you. You are always there.
But people will think I am strange.
Do it in your room, in the shower, in the car, on a walk. Nobody needs to hear you, but your ears need to hear you.
My ears need to hear me. Why?
Because speaking is a physical skill, like playing piano or riding a bicycle. You can read about riding a bicycle forever, but until you actually get on the bicycle, your body doesn't know how.
Oh, so my mouth needs practice.
Your mouth, your tongue, your breathing, all of it.
Okay, but what do I say to myself?
Describe your day. Right now, tell me what you did this morning.
Okay, today I woke up, I was tired, I made coffee, the coffee was hot, too hot, I waited, then I drank it.
That was excellent, Alex.
Really? It was so simple.
Simple is perfect. Did you translate?
No, I just said it.
Because you were describing your life, your coffee, your morning. Your brain didn't need to translate. It just found the words directly.
Wow, that felt different.
That is your English brain turning on.
My English brain. I like that.
So friends, tonight, before you sleep, describe your day in English, out loud, in your room. Just 2 or 3 sentences. Today I woke up at 7. I went to work. I was a little tired, but I listened to a great English podcast.
And my brain got smarter.
And my brain got smarter.
Okay, let me review everything because I want to remember this.
Yes, please.
Method 1, think in small English sentences all day. I am walking, I am hungry, the sky is blue.
Perfect.
Method 2, input. Listen to easy English every day. This podcast, simple videos, songs I love.
Yes, 80% understanding, content you enjoy.
Method 3, speak to myself, out loud. Describe my day, describe my room, let my mouth practice the English.
You got it perfectly.
So, no more translating?
Less and less every day. At first, your brain will still want to translate. That is normal. That is okay. Just notice it and try again in English.
Like a muscle.
Exactly like a muscle. Small exercise every day. And in 3 months, you will be surprised.
3 months. Okay, I can do 3 months.
We all can. Friends, I want to say something important before we go.
Yes, go ahead, Maya.
Many people stop learning English because they feel slow. They feel stupid. They feel like everyone else is faster than them.
I feel this sometimes, yes.
But here is the truth. Your brain is not slow. Your brain is just using an old system, the translation system. And today, you learned a new system, the direct English system.
The direct system. I love this.
And every time you practice, every small sentence, every podcast you listen to, every time you talk to yourself in English, you are building that direct system.
1 brick at a time.
One beautiful brick at a time.
I feel motivated now. My brain doesn't feel tired anymore.
Good, because we have work to do.
Okay, friends, before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, your homework today. Go to the comments below and write 1 English sentence about your morning. Just 1.
For example, this morning I drank coffee and it was delicious. Or this morning I was late and it was terrible.
Whatever your morning was, write it in English in the comments right now.
We will read every single comment.
We really do read them, and we love them.
And please, if this episode helped you, share it with 1 friend who is learning English.
1 friend. That is all. You might change their life today.
Big words, Maya.
Big podcast.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
It was a true pleasure. Stay curious, stay consistent, and keep speaking.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you in the next episode.